In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working. If you've ever started a stream in Discord and your friends could see everything but couldn't hear the sound, the fix is usually quick and easy. The most common cause is a simple setting that gets overlooked when you begin sharing your screen. Start by opening the screen share controls. You'll find the screen share button down at the bottom left of Discord, near your voice and video controls. It looks like a little monitor with an arrow. Clicking this opens the screen share setup window where you choose what you want to show, an entire screen or a specific app window. This is the same place you adjust your stream quality and frame rate, but for fixing missing audio, we're focused on one particular option. In that setup window, look for the checkbox labeled Share Stream Audio. Make sure that box is checked before you go live. That setting is what sends your computer's app or system sound along with the video feed. Without it, your stream plays in complete silence for your viewers, even if the audio sounds fine on your end. Checking it tells Discord to capture and include the audio from the source you're sharing, whether that's a game, a browser tab with a video, or a media player. This option can appear slightly differently depending on the version of Discord you're using, but the idea is always the same. Enable the stream audio toggle so your viewers hear what you hear. If you're selecting a specific application to share, the audio checkbox applies to that app. If you pick an entire screen, the checkbox sends whatever audio is coming from the content you display. Keep in mind that if you switch what you're sharing during a session, it's a good habit to quickly confirm the audio box is still checked for the new target. A couple of practical tips while you're here. Make sure the app you're sharing isn't muted inside Discord's stream preview. Also, if you control audio through your system mixer or the app's own volume slider, set it to a reasonable level so your audience gets a clear, consistent sound. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in what your viewers hear. And there you go. By opening Screen Share at the bottom left and checking Share Stream Audio, you'll fix the most common reason Discord screen shares are silent. That's all. Simple, fast, and reliable.